to time.
Oh no.
Oh, to time.
How are you back? I killed you. I killed you.
Do you realize what you have to lose? Do you realize the consequences? Realize the actions of the past. Do you know what to do now? Do you know where to go now? Where to find the answers?
I realize what I have done. I accept the consequences. I understand the actions in the past have turned the status line. There are thoughts in my mind though, but slowly surely growing. I hope you understand the pain I am about to cause. So, neither close, there's no going back on you. So I'll make sure to proceed. Sorry, I apologize. You were always there for me, but I could never be there just for you. Sorry, I apologize. I am the one who made you like this. I am sure to feel resentful.
Sorry, I apologize. I apologize. I'll just take it as there's no more second chances.
Preparing myself for what's about to come as I raise my weapon toward you yet again. Not letting go of everything that happened. And I don't want to forget all the memories. The time we shared together as you were dying out.